everyone, I just wanted to do a real quick video to help some of you that have been struggling on Unit 1, Assignment 2. It's called Production Possibilities Curve. In Lesson 4, you'll go through all the material that covers the PPC, or the Production Possibilities Frontier. Then you'll have a assignment that's in the format of a test that's going to cover what you went over in Lesson 4. I just wanted to cover a few things that I felt were a little vague in Lesson 4 and go over a couple questions. So one of the questions is this matching question here. And it says, given the above chart, answer the following questions. Now I'm not going to give you all the answers to this, but I just want to make sure that you are looking at this question correctly. So you have your answers over here. Keep in mind, you can have multiple questions have the same answer. Okay, so I think some people were struggling with this question because they were thinking you had to have a different letter on each question, but that is not the case. So these first three are dealing with a number, and it could be the same thing. So you just need to make sure that you're reading the question correctly. So like this first one, it says, how many books did you have to give up producing 6 more planes? So it's telling you what points to look at from B to C. So we're looking at B here, and it's saying, how many books did you have to give up to produce 6 more planes? So right here, I'm producing 6 more planes, so I'm at 12. But books are going from 7 to 4. So how many books did I give up? 3. And then you'll answer these questions as well. Just make sure you're paying attention to what letter you're looking at, and then what area, if you're looking at books or if you're looking at planes. Down here it says, is the opportunity cost constant or increasing in this problem? Okay, when you're looking at opportunity cost, you're looking at what's in between all of these. Is it constant? 3, 3, 3, 6, 6, 6, is that constant? Or is it increasing? And then down here, why does opportunity cost typically increase? And so that one is going to be either A or F in this scenario. Okay, and so you really need to look back at the material about opportunity cost and see why it typically increases. The next part that I noticed that students were struggling with, there was another matching. Let's see if I can pull it up here. All of these questions have to do with movement away or towards the PPC as well as shifts. Okay, so this is the one that a lot of students were struggling with. So I wanted to give you some clear graphs, some clear diagrams that will help you with this. I highly recommend pausing this video when you see these different graphs that I'm going to show and jotting these down in your notes. These will help you in other quizzes as well as the test and on the final, because you can use notes on all of those things. So I do need to give credit to the BYU Idaho Economics Department for this information. I was able to find this on their website, so it's very helpful. So this graph is showing you what causes movement away from the PPC. So movement away from the PPC is inside the curve. So when you're inside the curve right here, you can attain this, but it's inefficient. It's when you're using your resources inefficiently. So these are the reasons why you move away from the PPC. So you have no change in resources or technology, so nothing has increased there, or you're not using all of your resources that you do have efficiently. And then if unemployment rises, then you're also going to move away from the PPC. So if there's more people that are unemployed, then you're going to move away from that as well. Movement towards the PPC. So on this one, it's just the opposite. You're using your resources wisely, you're using them more efficiently, and you have a decrease in unemployment. So that means you're going to move back up to the line, or move towards the PPC. Okay, moving along the PPC. This is just a change in the combination of goods being produced. So you're just reallocating the resources that you have. Okay, this is an actual shift of the curve. Okay, so before we were talking about just a point inside the curve, this is actually moving the line from here to here. Okay, so this is an outward shift of the PPC. To actually move the entire curve out, you have to have a change in resources. So you discover something new. So there's something that is a new discovery that allows you to produce more. There's just better education, there's growth, there's a bigger population. Okay, so that's something that you'll see on the test. If you have better technology or capital investment will also cause it to shift outward. A shift inward from the PPC is, again, pretty much the opposite. Loss of resources, a natural disaster that causes you to lose a lot of those resources, war, or some kind of a disease. Those are shifts. So that's a full shift over of the line. Okay, hopefully this quick little video helps clarify some things. Like I said, I would highly recommend jotting these down in your notes. And if you need to retake the assignment and it's not allowing you to, please email me and I will reset it for you.